Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I just want to take you along on a simple and peaceful day in my life. A day where I slowed down a bit and I spent time with God and found peace in His presence. So sometimes we get so busy with life that we forget to pause, to pray, and to just be still. So today is all about reconnecting with God through, I visited the church today. As I stepped out today, there was something different in the air, a sense of calm, like God was already walking with me. On the way to church, I took a moment to just observe everything, the sky, the quiet streets. And it reminded me of how present God is in even the smallest details of our lives. Sometimes the journey itself becomes a prayer. So as I reached the church, I couldn't help but pause for a moment. Right outside the garden, if you can see, there was full of life, like bright sunflowers standing tall, along with so many other beautiful flowers blooming around. It felt like a gentle reminder of God's creation, so vibrant, so full of peace. In that quiet moment, even before stepping inside, my heart already felt closer to Him. So walking into the church, I instantly felt peace. There's something so comforting about being in God's house. The silence, the sacred atmosphere, it allows your heart to speak freely, right? I sat quietly for a while, closed my eyes, and I just prayed. Honestly, I didn't ask for anything specific today. I just thanked Him for His love, His guidance, and for always being there, even when I don't realize it. In that moment, I felt a deep sense of peace, like everything was going to be okay. And after spending time in the prayer, and I felt little lighter and calmer, and honestly, like more grounded. It's amazing how just a few moments with God can change your entire mindset. If you are feeling overwhelmed, I truly encourage you, just sit with Him. You don't need any perfect words, just an open ear. Close your eyes and just pray. So after church, like I visited a nearby Christian store, and honestly, it felt like stepping into a place filled with faith and beauty. So they had such a beautiful collection. Like if you can see the crosses, the rosary chains, prayer books, candles, and idols of Jesus. So each item felt so meaningful, like it carried a sense of devotion and love. I was feeling like I would take all of them. So I especially loved, the intricate designs of the crosses. You can see the peaceful expressions on the idols. It reminded me how faith can be expressed in so many beautiful ways, right? Though I picked up few small things, not just as decorations, but like as daily reminders of God's presence in my life. Sometimes even a small symbol of faith can bring so much comfort. So, as the day comes to an end, I feel so grateful. Today wasn't about doing anything big, it was about finding peace in the simple moments, like praying, reflecting, and reconnecting with God. And honestly, that's what made it so special. Thank you so much for spending this peaceful day with me. If this video brought you even a little bit of calm or inspiration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, no matter how busy life gets, always take a moment to pause and connect with God. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye to everyone, and God bless you all.